Alright, well, I'm at my spot that I wanted to be at. There's a stream right there. Good stream. Looks like a fresh stream of spring water. It's a good stream. Has water. There's another one over there. Somebody put a camera up next to that. I guess they're watching that spot there. So, but yeah, we're set up right here. Well, I'm set up right here by myself. But yeah, saw a couple signs. Saw some droppings back there. Found a feather. It's a weird feather. Look at this feather. Almost looks like a chicken feather. But it's a turkey. Looks like a tail end. Smells fresh. Yeah. And so this is what I found. Turkey feather. Tail end turkey feather. It's kind of weird. Never seen one like this. Not in the wild. The only one I could think of is a domestic turkey. Could be not. Up to you to know. Well, I'm here. Do a couple calls and see what happens. Got my decoy over there. Decoy. There's a decoy. Can't zoom in. Shucks. There's my decoy. Over here. So let's see what's up. Hopefully I can film some when they're coming. So I have my tripod and see what happens. Well, peace out. Till next time. Hopefully we see some turkey coming in. Peace.